Morning, and today we're out and about in Dorset on the Jurassic Coast, Isle of Purbeck, starting near Durlston Head, and you can see the globe behind us. So started at the car park, walked down, had a cup of coffee, and got a nice coastal walk, probably about 19 kilometres. Going to see Dancing Ledge, Chapman's pool, and see how it goes. Weather is threatening to be sunny. This is Tilly Wim Caves. Looks like he or she, a very naughty boy or girl. So this used to be a jail, apparently. Probably pretty cold in the winter. This is Dancing Ledge. It's a place people come to do rock climbing, and you can swim here. We just had lunch. Now it's time to press on. It's a beautiful bit of coastline. And the sun has come out. Glad I bought the sun hat.
Co-founded the Purbeck Radar Museum Trust.
So this is St Aldhelm's Head, which is more or less the furthest west we go today. Bit of a breeze there. Then we start to head north to Chapman's Pool. Oh, so nice, that breeze though, so hot. Next stop, Chapman's Pool. Down and up. Came up those steps, which was quite a slog, all the way along Chapman's Pool. Now we've turned east and are heading towards Worth Matravers, so away from the coast for a little bit now. Ooh, and it's warm. Feel like Gladiator. Something like that. Yes, some ducks. There's little ones down here.
Look at that, he's a big
Hello, good morning. Hello. Oh, look at those flies, poor thing. So we've come back sort of the high road or on the ridge through the fields. Beautiful evening, afternoon. About a kilometre to go, just under. Nearly there. There we are, back at the car. That was beautiful. Really got lucky with the weather. The sun came out and there was a really nice breeze. Very welcome. So yes, it was 6.5 hours, I think, in total, about 20 kilometers. Beautiful walk. And I will leave the route as normal and see you next time.